NCERT Class 7 Chapter 1 Exercise 1.1 Question number 10. In water tank, a water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. Part 1. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? So let's solve the part 1 of the question. Part 1. In the beginning, the monkey is on step 1. After first jump, he will be at 1 plus 3 equal to step 4. As he was initially at step 1 and he jumps when he moves down for 3 steps. So 1 plus 3 is step 4. After second step, he will be at 4 minus 2 as he moves 2 steps up. Therefore, he will be at step 2. After second jump, he will be at 4 minus 2 equal to step 2. As he moves back 2 steps up, that's why we have subtracted 4 minus 2, so he will be at step 2. After third jump, he will be at 2 plus 3 as he moves 3 steps down. So he will be at step 5. After fourth jump, he will be at 5 minus 2 as he moves 2 steps up. So he will be at step 3. After fifth jump, he will be at 3 plus 3 will be equal to step 6. After sixth jump, he will be at 6 minus 2, which will be equal to step 4. After seventh jump, he will be at 4 plus 3 equal to step 7. After eighth jump, he will be at 7 minus 2, which is equal to step 5. After ninth jump, he will be at 5 plus 3 equal to step 8. After 10th jump, he will be at 8 minus 2 equal to step 6. After 11th jump, he will be at 6 plus 3 equal to step 9. So, after 11th jump, he will be at step 9 where he has to reach. So this is our answer of part 1. Part 2. After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back to the top step? So, the solution of part 2, at the beginning he is at step 9. After first jump, he will be at (9 minus 4), which is equal to step 5. As he is moving 4 steps up in the jump, and in the second jump he moves 2 steps down. This way, in every move he moves first, he jumps 4 steps up and 2 steps down. So after second jump, he will be at, after second jump he will be at 5 minus 5 plus 2, which will be equal to step 7. After third jump, he will be at 7 minus 4, which is equal to step 3. After fourth jump, he will be at 3 plus 2 equal to step 5. After fifth jump, he will be at 5 minus 4, which is equal to step 1. So, monkey will be at step 1 after 5 jumps, which is the answer of the part 2. Part 3. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his move in part 1 and part 2 by completing part A minus 3 plus 2 dash 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 equal to 8, and part B 4 minus 2 plus dash 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 equal to 8. In A, the sum equal to minus 8 represents going down by 8 steps. So what will be the sum 8 in part B represent? So we solve the part 3 of the question. So A part, minus 3 for moving down, plus 2, and we have to bring this to 8. So minus 3 plus 2, then minus 3, then plus 2, then again minus 3 plus 2, then minus 3 plus 2, then minus 3 plus 2, then minus 3. So we just check it. Minus 3, then minus 3 is minus 6, then minus 9, then again minus 3 is minus 12, then again minus 3 is minus 15, and then minus 3 equal to minus 18. So this gives us minus 18, and we add all positive quantities. So 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10 plus 10, this is equal to minus 8. So he is at 8 steps down because minus represents the down. Now part B, 4 minus 2, this represents 4 steps up and 2 steps down because down is represented by minus. Then plus 4 and minus 2, then plus 4 equal to, we add all positive quantity, so 4 plus 4 equal to 12, and all negative quantities, minus 2 equal to minus 4, so 12 minus 4 equal to 8. So this is our completion of part B. And if part B represents 8 steps up, then what part A represents? So part A represents going 8 steps down. So we write like this. In part B, 8 represents going up. Being positive integer represents going up. Hence, in part A, the sum minus 8 represents going down by 8 steps. So what will the sum 8 in B represents? So in part B, 8 represents going up as it is positive integer. This is our solution of question 10.